What's up everyone, it's Adam with Adam's Tech Talk, and today I'll be unboxing the iPhone XS Max. This phone features a 6.5-inch Super Retina OLED display, Apple's new A12 Bionic processor that's up to 15% faster with up to 50% faster graphics performance than last year's A11. It also has 4 gigabytes of RAM, available in 64 gigabyte, 256 gigabyte, or 512 gigabyte storage options. You can get it in silver, space gray, or gold. It features the same 7 megapixel true depth front facing camera for Face ID, a dual 12 megapixel camera setup on the rear. The water resistance is increased this year to IP68. It's also dual SIM with a physical nano SIM slot and an eSIM, with support coming later in the year for that eSIM. Still has wireless charging and Face ID, just like last year's iPhone X. Apple is claiming the battery in this XS Max will last up to 90 minutes longer than last year's iPhone X. This is the gold 256 gigabyte variant. Let's look at it. All right. Right away, that gold is very pretty this year. On the left side of the phone, we have a volume rockers and silent switch. On the right, we have that physical SIM slot with the nano SIM and the power/Siri button. On the top, we don't have anything. On the bottom, we have the charging port and a speaker. There's that dual camera setup on the back. It does still stick out a little bit. Let's see what else you get in the box. Charging brick, Lightning headphones, the AirPods. They don't feature the 3.5 millimeter to Lightning adapter this year. So if you don't have one of those and have headphones you like to use that aren't Lightning, Apple sells that adapter for $9. It was included with the iPhone X, but not the XS or the Max. And of course, your Lightning cable for charging and sync. If you all have any questions or want to see any other videos on the XS Max, leave it in the comments below. Thanks.